And as they say, whatever we see on AI is coming from, the searches. You be on those LLMs, you need to be on top of the search. And that can only happen if you have a good website with good links, which can be an expired domain, a website built on expired domain, or maybe some 301. Right?
Yes, because basically Google tests other parts of the algorithm, but links will always be a main part of it because they are the hardest to manipulate. Everything about user experience and such, it can be manipulated with bots, so it's impossible for Google to keep this the core of the algorithm. The links will always be the core because you can only manipulate links with money, with investment, with buying links, or with buying domains to create PBNs and 301s. And for Google, the core idea of the SERP is stability. If they have stability, then there's a sense that it's working properly. Maybe not always the best website will be ranking, but if you have black cat stuff and the SERP like this all the time, it would seem that
information that rank is the best SEO that ranks.
Yeah, and the most aggressive. So actually, the Google Lab secretly like the gray hat because they are the fans the most from the black hat. There will be no gray hat if there will be no like PBNs and 301 redirects and parasites, then everything will be just black hat. So always really shady stuff.
Got it.